In this video, we will learn how to load data into the Shiny-Calorie app. Export data from the TSE system in a row format. Information of all mice should be displayed in rows below each other. Change the header titles to represent the data that you entered before. The header consists of box, animal number, diet, genotype, and text 3. The data files should be saved as a CSV file for upload. The Shiny-Calorie app allows us to analyze indirect calorimetry data of animal experiments recorded by all major indirect calorimetry systems, like TSE or Sable systems. The app is subdivided into Home, where we are now, and separate tabs for the analysis, metadata converter, the app's documentation, help, and contact. The analysis layout consists of a left side panel in which we can upload, select and curate the data we want to upload, and a central panel where plots or statistical testing will be displayed. To upload data, go to Dataset Import, Custom Data. Under Datasets, we can specify the number of cohorts or files we want to upload. You can immediately browse and select your data. A loading bar will show you the status of your upload. The button Load Data will upload your data onto the Shiny-Calorie app. Once it is uploaded, the app will display a short study description of your file. Under Dataset Import, Import Options, we can further specify the dataset and have it coarsened if wanted. We can also select to use the Zeitgeber time of the document and choose the equation to be used for heat production analysis. The subcategory Statistics and Visualization allows us to see, choose, and analyze our data. Variable Selection allows us to choose the data to be analyzed. Initially, metadata will be displayed first. To display the plot, press Show Plot under Dataset Import, Custom Data, Show Plot. This plot now displays us all the metadata information embedded in the initial file. This allows us a quick overview over the animal numbers, genotypes, and start weight of the animals. From this step onwards, you can continue with the analysis of your dataset. If you want to attach more metadata to the cohort, for example to be able to perform statistical analysis of measured indirect calorimetry data in relation to lean or fat mass of the mice, you can also attach a metadata sheet. This file allows us to report in more detail on the animal IDs, sex, genotype, diet, but also body weight, lean mass and fat mass at the beginning and end of the experiment. Such a file can also be created using the Shiny-Calorie app. To generate a metadata sheet of the cohort to be analyzed, press on the tab Metadata Converter. If you already have an Excel file for your animal cohort, you can upload the file using Browse. If not, you can manually specify the metadata instead. This will open a new field, allowing us to define the number of cohorts. We can select the number of cohorts and press Generate Cohorts. Then we can select the number of rows required for this cohort. Rows here means the number of animals. When clicking on Display Cohort 1, we can manually add their respective information. When finished entering all details, the button Download Metadata Sheet allows us to download the generated file, which we can use for the Shiny-Calorie app. Once we exported the metadata sheet, we can upload it to our cohort at Dataset Import, Custom Data, then tick Have Additional Metadata. Now the metadata display will not only display us animal numbers, genotypes, diet and initial body weight, but also any additional added metadata. In this case, fat mass and lean mass of the mice.